So basically I'm teaching you like 10-minute recipe. So if your keema is already ready, that's a little bit long process to make your keema. So put your keema in fridge, and then out of the keema or chicken or whatever, you can make 10 easy recipe, even more. But I'm going to show you as much as I can in this vlog. So in this tutorial, I'm teaching you first only 10-minute recipe with mincemeat, which we call easy spaghetti bolognese. Okay, with homemade things. So what I use: keema, tomato tin, and spaghettis. Any spaghetti you can use. Okay, so we just need 3 ingredients. That's all, and it's easy. And as loads of you commented, we need a recipe for lazy mum. I'm not sure about lazy mum, but yeah, busy mum. So these recipes are for busy mum.
Please subscribe and click the bell to get notification.
सबसे पहले मैंने आधा कप ऑयल लिया, उसमें 5 ऑनियन डाले. You'll say in English.
Mama put oil in
Half a cup oil.
Half a cup oil in
5 onions.
5 onions as well.
5 cloves of garlic.
Yeah.
4 chilies. Little bit coriander, green coriander, and 1-inch piece of ginger.
Okay.
And I put that here. Okay. Cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I am adding half a can of tomato, chopped tomato. And out of this keema, I'm gonna make so many recipes. Okay, quick recipe. So अगर आपको बस quick recipe बनाने हैं, so you just cook 1 kg keema, that kind of method. Keep it in fridge, and when you want, you can use that in different recipes. So I will show you how you can make 5-6 recipe out of this keema. This mincemeat.
Smells so good already. Delicious.
Okay. Now top of that, I'm gonna add a few masalas. 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Okay, half a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon mixed masala. I think I'm going to put another half a teaspoon mixed masala. Half a teaspoon curry powder. Half a teaspoon garam masala. And half a teaspoon haldi powder. 1/4 teaspoon chili. I'm going to cook that for good 2-3 minutes. Okay. I'm adding 1 kg mincemeat. Washed mincemeat. I wash this mincemeat, dry it, set it, no water, really dry one. Okay, lumps na bane. Okay, so we don't want a lumpy mincemeat, we want quite smooth mixture of mincemeat. Now cook it out for 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit salt. It's according to your taste. Okay, and now I'm gonna keep it on low heat for 15 minutes to cook for 15 minutes. और अभी 15 minutes बाद, after 15 minutes, you can see. This is a sign of well done mincemeat, that all oil come on one side on top. Okay, so my mincemeat is done. I'm gonna put it in one bowl. चलो इसमें मैं डाल दूंगी अब ये इस कीमे से अब आप देखना कि क्या क्या कमालात वाले रेसिपी बनते हैं. तो अभी मेरी फर्स्ट रेसिपी ये है. जो ऑयल वाला था थोड़ा सा वो मैंने इसमें छोड़ दिया है. ये मेरी फर्स्ट रेसिपी है. ओके, I place 1 whole tomato tin in the pan. This is about half a cup minced meat is was okay. तो ये तकरीबन आधा कप मिंस मीट था, जो ऑयली मिंस मीट था वो मैंने इसमें छोड़ दिया और इसको मैंने 1 टोमेटो टिन डाल के अब मैं इसको अच्छी तरह से इसमें ऐसा सॉसी सा बना लूँगी ओके। और ये बहुत क्विक रेसिपी है। अगर आपका कीमा रेडी है और आपका दिल कर रहा है कि आप स्पेगेटी खा लो तो ये बस ऐसे करें, आधा कप कीमा डाल दें, उसमें टिन टोमेटो या आपके पास टोमेटो सॉस हो या प्यूरी हो या कुछ हो, तकरीबन आधा कप ही वो टोमेटो डाल दें और कोई मसाले नहीं, कुछ आपने नहीं डालना। और एक पैन में स्पेगेटीज को बॉईल कर दें। आप देख लें अगर आप 2 बंदे हैं तो 2 बंदों के हिसाब से हाफ अ पैक या थोड़े से स्पेगेटी 5 मिनट में बॉईल कर देती हूँ। तो आपको दिखाती हूँ, मेरे पास ये वाली स्पेगेटी से लिंग्विनी इसको कहते हैं। मैं इसमें सिर्फ आधा पैक यूज़ कर रही हूँ, आधे कप को पैक को मैं सिर्फ 5 मिनट के लिए बॉईल कर। दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड क्विक रेसिपी, सो आई टेक this brand, it's like macaroni, okay? So I'm making mac and cheese, a very quick 10-minute, even less than 10-minute recipe. Okay? Half of the packet. I put it here, and now boil water. Okay, this is very important. Never put a tap water. Boil kettle water.
And
put
any
top
pasta,
on that.
any spaghetti.
Any spaghetti, any pasta. Always put boil water. So I put boil water on it. And now I'm gonna put it on flame for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I check my mincemeat. I can still think it's not really saucy, even I put 1 tin tomato. So, you know what I usually do, because these water are full of flavor. So I'm gonna add a couple of spoons
Of the pasta water.
of the pasta water. Only couple, look. So it's like a little bit runny kind of sauce. So after 5 minutes, actually it's done. We don't need to overcook it because we're gonna cook in the sauce as well for 2-3 minutes. So that's done. I will sift all the water, okay? So I sift all the water, and now I'm gonna place my whole sauce. And literally it's take 8 minutes, no, even 10 minutes, this whole recipe, okay? What do you think, Malu?
It smells and looks delish.
Okay, okay. I literally cook that for 1 more minute, but never put the lid on, okay? And look, in 10 minutes, your easy spaghetti bolognese is ready. Always put some cheese on it. I'm not gonna put cheese on it because I'm making other recipe with cheese. So I will put some coriander on that. I have no...
Your own flavor. Nice.
Yeah, my own flavor, my Asian tadka, okay?
Yes.
Okay, that's my one recipe is done.
I'll have a little pinch.
Okay, so I just usually garnish it like that. Maliha want a ball now, okay?
Yeah, I know she's being stingy with it.
Oh, and I say no, we all can eat together, but I know she's not gonna stop, so...
Well, you can give me a
of-
fork and I'll just eat the whole thing here, that's
Yeah,
fine.
That's it, okay? So, that's my one dish ready, and I hope you like it. That's for my busy mum.
Trust
a
me,
quick
it's
recipe.
amazing. I'm going to be making this.
So that's one done.
It's delicious. Mama, it's delicious. Kasamne.
So this is my macaroni, which I literally boil it for 2 minutes. You can even boil it in microwave for 2 minutes. No more than that. Like about 2-inch piece of thing. No more than that. But no, but you need a little bit butter for health. For health as well, isn't it?
No, definitely.
Isn't it, Afia? Not you understand me. You never understand. Okay.
If you want this healthy, by the way, you could substitute the butter for olive oil.
Olive oil, yeah. Only 2 tablespoons flour. And isko अच्छी तरह से, you know, just saute this flour exactly like that. Okay. Yeah. Give it 2 minutes. Stir it for 2 minutes. on slow flame, okay? No high flame. And now I'm adding 1 cup, only 1 cup, okay? 1 cup milk. Stir it really well so it's not lumpy. कि lumps इसके ना बन जाए, क्योंकि lumps बनेंगे तो फिर आपका मैक चीज़ सारा ख़राब हो जाएगा। ये मेरे तरीके का मैक चीज़ है, ओके, जो कि 10 मिनट में बनता है और जो बिजी मम है उनके लिए और इजी रेसिपी है। तो हर किसी के घर में बटर या ऑयल भी मौजूद होता है, फ्लावर भी मौजूद होता है। As you guys know that I like everything with my garlic, or my special garlic. I even didn't scratch it. I even didn't crush it. I just slice it like that. Just only 1 clove, okay? If you want, you can add a little bit black pepper, but because I'm making for children, I'm not adding any black pepper. But you can add black pepper. And wait till the sauce go really thick. And keep stirring as well, because we don't want any lumps, okay? That's very important. And after that, after 5 minutes, you can add your cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese, but it's up to you which cheese you use, okay? I'm using the whole pack. But if you don't want to use, if you want the perfect measurement, you can use 1 cup. So stir. I always add a salt to the end, because the thing is salt always release water, okay? So that's all done. And I always sift my macaroni with this kind of spatula, and it's amazing, guys. Look, half a packet is enough for the whole family. Look at that, guys. 10-minute recipe. You can make your family, your children so happy with this mac cheese. It's so easy.
You're gonna test it out.
Yeah. You're gonna try it for my YouTube family, okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How is it? Tell me the truth. How is it?
Thumbs down.
My second dish ready exactly in 10 minutes. My third recipe, which can be made in 5 minutes. Trust me, in 5 minutes. Tortilla wrap. Okay. On high flame for half a minute. Heat the one side, and then now another side. Now slow the flame, and this is my my keema, which was I separated in another bowl. So, but make sure no oil, okay? Dry keema. You know, whenever we go to Turkish restaurant, we always order this. Always. This
no, lajmun is lahmacun.
Lahmacun, sorry. Lahmacun. So we always order this, okay? I always garnish with radish, a very thin slice of radish. You know why? You can put big tomato piece, or you can put small one like that. Gonna cook it for 3 minutes on slow flame. So this is my fourth recipe called Sloppy Joe. It's an American recipe, and it's again 3-minute job. So put your bun here. For one Sloppy Joe, I take about 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup. That's all, and mix it well. And because my children like a little bit spicy, I'm using a little bit chili sauce. That's all, okay? Mix it very well. It's done. I'm gonna add my mincemeat, lettuce, okay? But it's up to you, it's optional. If you don't, just put that on top. But if you want, my children, again, we like our own kind of recipe, so I just put a little bit lettuce, like tomato, and Maliha like tomatoes, so a bit tomatoes. I'm making them now. And I also put a little bit, about 2 slices of cucumber, and I put that on top. How beautiful is that?
That's a very neat Joe. I wouldn't say it was a sloppy Joe. I'd say it is a neat Joe.
Okay, so this is for Nafia because she's going to read namaz and she will try out for you as well. Okay guys, so my lamajin is ready, okay? And it's supposed to be dark crispy. The whole thing is supposed to be crispy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bambar.